Hello everyone, my name is Mudit and I'm one of the founding team members of TranZact. And I have a question for you. What if your factory data could speak to you? What would you ask? Where is your cash stuck? Which order is getting delayed? Where are the today's dispatches? Right? After working with 10,000 plus manufacturers, what I've understood till now that everyone has the same problem. Their data is scattered across multiple Excel sheets, pen and paper, notebooks, or maybe some custom ERPs. And getting that answer is pretty difficult. You ask your team members, they ask with someone else, and that delays the process. What if I say that you could have an AI tool that sits across your entire business data and you can ask questions and get answers instantly? This is what TranZact AI is. I'm very happy to introduce that we have built a tool which has two core value props. One, it can instantly answer business questions for your business. Example: what is my year on year sales growth? Purchase: which suppliers consistently deliver incomplete quantities? These answers you can get quickly. Let me show you. What are the top 10 customers by total order value? Straight away, you get the answer. What is my year on year sales growth? Straight away, sales growth, year on year growth percentage. These are the type of questions that you might take a bit of time to get answers with. With the power of TranZact AI, you can get these answers instantly. Second, let's go to business GPT. Based upon your business, who are your competitors? Which global news or which innovations are affecting your industry the most? More importantly, in SME manufacturing, we do not have the luxury of MNC type employees. Still, it doesn't mean that the quality of our communication should go down, right? That is why we have created a thing called new messages, which helps you create good templates, very professional email writing templates and WhatsApp writing templates. For example, if you want to touch base with any old customer who has not given an order, simply click write a short email to an old customer and the AI quickly gives you the answer. You can reply back saying, make this a bit funny, and the AI quickly does it the same for you. Hope you're doing well and your machines are behaving better than my coffee machine this morning. See? So, this is what the power of the AI is. Plus, smart dashboards. Your entire data, which is connected with this AI, gets converted into dashboards which are auto powered in real time for you. This is what we think that can add value to the life of SME manufacturers, and hence we've made this product. If you feel this is interesting, please reply back and we'll be very happy to give a demo to you and show you how this can help you improve your lives. Thank you very much. Looking forward to show this product to you all. Thank you.